morning, friends, and welcome in today's vlog. So today it's Sunday, and anong petsa na ba ngayon? Let me think. January 26. Yeah, 26 na pala. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Basta, I'm gonna put this sa screen naman yung date. So, yeah. We're almost done with January, guys. And, I don't know if I could vlog a lot today. Yeah, because, hindi ko alam. And, alis na kami ng maaga today, but I don't know, hindi ako ginising ni Rookie, mga 10 o'clock na. And now it's already 11 a.m. kasi we're planning sana, we planned sana yesterday na alis kami ng maaga, like mga 9, nakabili na kami namalengke na kami, but hindi niya ako ginising. Mga 12:30 na yata kami natulog kagabi kasi we watched yung series na The Witcher. Pagkatapos namin nanood nung kay J-Lo, yung The Hustlers. Ayun, pinanood namin ng 1 episode ng The Witcher. So, mga 12:30 na. So, ayun. That's why I'm up late. So, my hair is all the same. Still this curly because, I don't know, I don't like my hair to be flat looking kasi manipis siya and then straight siya. Then, I just wanted to be like voluminous and big. So, ayan guys. Dami ko nang sinasabi. So, Rookie is waiting for me outside already. And I think I need to go now. So, gonna see you all later. Okay? So far, this is what we have. I got a pizza. This is 500 yen only. It's pepperoni, crush pepperoni, crush pepperoni. Meron din chicken dito. Oh, chicken. But I already have fish. Ay, hindi pala pwede ako ng chicken. Ayan ito yung kinuha ko. Ayan, tapos merong salmon din. Dalawang salmon na may, this one is already salted, ito, and then yung sa baba is unsalted salmon. Ayan. So we are in the sushi section. I don't know if I wanted this. Yeah, but usually what I eat in sushi is ito lang. Yeah, I don't really like raw fish. Ito yung kinakain ko. Yan. But the fish, I don't know. So, we are here at the sweets section. Ang sarap dito tingnan, oh. Tapos may strawberry shortcake din. Tapos ito is shallot roll. Tapos parang ang sarap nito, mangga. Mangga ni? Ha? Parang din ganyan. I don't know what to get. If this one or this one looks delicious. Again, I don't know. So, I'm here at the frozen section. I wanted to buy ice cream, but since meron pa kaming pupuntahan, so I'm not gonna buy it. There's the ice cream in this aisle. So, hindi na lang ako kukuha ng ice cream. Daiso na naman. Kasi sabi ni Rookie meron siyang bibilhin dito, and also I pick up some stuff na din para sa aming decoration. Wow, I saw something guys here sa makeup section, guys. So here we are at the makeup section, and look what I saw. Meron silang eyeshadow palette. This is like 100 yen lang. Wow, this one looks promising. Maganda siya. Yeah. Nandito pala kami sa Daiso Tajimi. So, mas marami silang... Oh my God. Ayan, we're back. Nandito kami sa Daiso Tajimi and mas marami silang makeup na nandito. These are... What's this? Lip oil? Ayan, oh. And then they also have this one. Wala to sa... Daiso na... dun sa malapit sa amin. So, they have an amazing eye and cheek color. I'm so excited, but I'm not gonna buy now. Baka na lang sa next time. Yan. Dito din, mini lipsticks. Oh my God, I'm excited. Mag-Daiso haul tayo, tapos giveaway. Tapos, meron din ditong mga eyeshadows. Ayan, oh. So damn pretty. Daiso. Tapos, yung mga lipstick corner. Brush cleaners. Ayan. Oh my God. First stop, gyoza. Yeah! So, here's my foodie for the day. Lalami lagi karoke yung sakay roke champong. No, lami. Itadakimasu. Ramen day. My favorite, shashomen. It is almost 6. Kakarating lang namin. I'm so tired. These are the things that I need to tackle. Oh. Went to Daiso. Oh my God, I'm gonna start, putting all this away. So tired. I'm so tired. I wanted to relax. The plan did not went well. It did not go as planned. Yung relax na lang by this time. But I need to hurry, and yeah. So I'm finally done doon sa kusina preparing, but yung foodie ni Ruki, or yung pizza, hindi ko na-pick. Yung lang, iba lang kasi. Bukas, yes, si Ruki, so siya na yung magpipito ng isda. Ayan, so, I'm just going to put away yung nilinik ko from Daiso. Lang naman yung konting decor. Ito, I'm gonna show you what I got from Daiso, guys. So, here's what I got. You can't see me, but so I need something for my background sa video, and then I just picked up more of this, yung ito, yung mga dahon-dahon, kasi I wanted something green for my background, and also got this one, yung cute na ornament para sa background din, yung pang sa garden, yeah. Oh, diba? Yung pang garden something. And then I got yung sa phone pala na ring. Ano to? Ring stand. And then I also got this one. Whoa! Diba? Life begins after coffee. And then, nasan ba yung camera? Nasa baba? Nasa taas? I don't know. Last but not the least is I got a candle. Where's the candle? Nandito pala. Candle. It is lavender scent glass candle. At from all the candles na nandoon, ito yung pinakamabango na na brand, kasi maraming mga varieties of candles. Itong specific na brand na ito. Bango-bango niya. It's lavender. So this is going to be my filming corner. Ayan, I already have my flowers there. And then, eto nga yung sabi ko, konti lang sila. So, I'm gonna add more para medyo marami sila tingnan. So, yan. Eto, I'm gonna hang it here, somewhere here. Ayan. So, I think we've reached the end of the night na, friends. Mag-good night na ako. I don't know what time is it. I guess magsi 7 o'clock na siguro. So, I'm gonna say good night now kasi kasi meron pa akong hindi na plancha na uniform ni Rookie. Ayan, so I need to say good night now, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I'm going to see you on my next video. Oh, yes, me!